So after unboxing and cleaning our eye shaver, now let's make our halo halo. So halo is a Filipino word which means to mix. So in this recipe, we're going to make a summertime dessert that's a mixture of different kinds of sweetened fruits. So haluhalo is basically a mixture of different kinds of sweetened fruits, and whatever you add into your haluhalo, it doesn't matter whichever sweetened fruits you would prefer to put into it, as long as you have shaved ice and milk. And sugar is for me is optional because I don't want to make my haluhalo too sweet, but it depends on your sweet tooth. So the ingredients that I put at the beginning of the videos, those are just suggestions, so it depends on whichever you want and prefer to put into your haluhalo. Also, adding leche flan and ice cream will make your haluhalo too sweet, so that it just makes it extra special, but you don't have to. Halo-halo is the ultimate summertime treat in the Philippines. It is a layered dessert consisting of sweetened beans, sweetened fruits, shaved ice drizzled with evaporated milk, and ice cream. I've always believed that the best way to get to know other cultures and people is through food. So don't forget to get your halo-halo when you visit the Philippines. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell. See you on our next video. Bye!